Hello everybody, good afternoon, namaste. It's me, Mamta Rana. I am the basic level math teacher. And today, for class 2 and 3, we are here to learn about solid figures. Okay, in previous classes we learned what is solid figures and what are the solid figures and what is the difference between solid figure and shapes. Yes, so today we are reading here the properties of solid figures. Okay, and first of all, cube. This is cube. Yes, this is the model of cube. And look here, what are the properties of cube? It is a cube. Yes, it has 6 faces. Yes, this cube has 6 faces. 1 faces, yes, back side 2 faces, this side 3, this side 4, up side 5 and down side 6. So it has 6 faces. Okay, and its every faces is square shape. Yes, its face is in square shape. Square shape means its length and breadth is same. Okay, this 2 centimeter, then this also 2 centimeter. Okay, this is in the square shape. This face also in square shape. This face also in square shape. This all the faces are in square shape. Okay, and it has 8 corners. Next property of cube is it has 8 corners. Look, 1 corner, 2 corner, 3 corner, 4 corner, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 corners. Okay. Next property is it has 8 corners. And last property of cube is it has 12 edges. Okay. Let's count. 1 edges, yes, 2 edges, 3 edges, 4 edges, 5 edges, 6, 7, 8 edges, this 9, 10 and this 11 and backside 12. Yes, it has 12 edges. Okay, the property of cube are again, it is a cube. Yes, this figure is cube. It has 6 faces. First property, its every face is square. It has 8 corners and it has 12 edges. This is the property of cube. Okay. Next solid figure is cuboid. Okay. It is a cuboid. Yes, the figure. This is a cuboid. Yes. Here, this is the model of cuboid. It has 6 faces. The property of cuboid, the first property of cuboid, each has 6 faces. Like in cube, yes, in cube also 6 faces, in cuboid also 6 faces. 1 faces, front and back. 2 faces, side. 3 faces, next side. 4 faces, up. 5 faces and down. 6 faces. Okay, it has 6 faces. And next property, its every face is rectangular. Its every face is rectangular. In cube, the every face is square, but in cuboid, every face is rectangular. Its length, this is longer than breadth. Okay, the length it is longer than breadth, so it is rectangle. The shape of cuboid, yes, the face of cuboid, it is in the rectangle form. Okay, and next property is it has 8 corners, same like cube. 1 corner, 2 corner, 3 corner, 4 corner, 5 corner, 6 corner, 7 corner and 8 corner. Okay, and it has 12 edges. Yes, 1 edges, 2 edges, 3 edges, 4 edges. At back 5 edges, 6, 7, 8 and 9, 10, 11, 12 edges. Okay, it has 12 edges. The property of cube and cuboids is they are like same. One property is difference, that is their faces. Okay, in cube there are 6 faces, in cuboid also 6 faces. In cube 8 corner and cuboid also 8 corner. Okay, and edges, cube also 12 edges, cuboid it has also 12 edges, but one property is different. What is that? In cuboid, okay, the faces that is in the rectangle form. Okay, the face it is rectangular, and in cube the face it is square. This is the different property of these two models. Okay, next solid figure is, what is this? Cylinder. Okay, this is a cylinder. Let's read the property of cylinder. It is a cylinder. Okay, this is cylinder. It has two circular faces. Let's learn my model. This it is a cylinder. It has two circular faces. Yes, one circular faces and two circular faces. The cylinder it has two circular faces, one faces and two faces. Okay, its other surface is curved. Yes, one face and two face. Yes, these two surface they are circular. Okay, in round shape, and one surface this is curved. This is not flat. Okay, this is a curved surface. Okay, two circular faces. Cylinder it has two circular faces, one faces, two circular faces, and next surface it is curved. Okay, and it has no corners. Look, this cylinder it has no corners. Okay, and next property of cylinder is it has two circular edges. Cylinder it has two edges, but that edges is in the circular form. Look, one edge is that is in the round shape, in circular shape, and next this is also edges of cylinder, it is in the round shape. Okay, in cube and cuboid, the edges they are straight. Okay, straight edges, but in cylinder, okay, the edges they are in the round shape. Okay, so it has two circular edges. The cylinder it has two circular edges, one edges, two edges, two circular faces, one faces, two faces, and one is curved surface. A cylinder it has one curved surface. Okay, these are the property of cylinder. Okay, next solid figure is cone. Okay, let's read the property of cone. It is cone. Okay, let's see the model of cone. The property of cone is it has one circular faces. The cone it has one circular faces. Yes, in cylinder we have two circular faces, but in cone it has one circular faces. Okay, and its another surface is curved. Next property of cone is its another surface is curved. Okay, one is circular faces, and next other surface it is curved. Look, it is in curved shape. Okay, and it has one corner. The cone it has one corner. Look, this is the corner of the cone, and it is only one. Okay, so the property of cone is it has one corner, and next it has one circular edges. Okay, and we have 12 edges in cube and cuboids. Okay, and in cylinder we have two circular edges, but in cone we have one edges that is in the circular form. Okay, this is the edges of cone, and this is a round shape, so it has one circular edges. Okay, again the cone it has only one vertex, only one circular faces, and only one edges. and next surface, that is curved. Okay, this is the curved surface. This is the property of cone. Okay, next and last solid figure is sphere. Okay, it is a sphere. Its all surface is curved. Look, this is the model of sphere. It is a sphere and its all surface is curved. Look, all the surface of sphere is curved, no straight. Okay, it has no corner and it has no edges. It is round, so it has no corner and no edges. No, it has no straight lines. Okay, so it has no corners and no edges. The property of sphere is its surface is curved. Okay, its surface is curved and it has no any corner and no any edges. Okay, thank you class. Okay, for class 2 and 3, here is homework. For class 2, page number 18, question number 1, 2, 3 and 4, do in your copy from book. Okay, and for class 3, write the name of solid shapes and also write their properties with figure. Okay, draw the figures, write the solid shape name and write their properties. Okay, thank you class.